Hey friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the modify toolbars, offset and mirror. In the toolbar, if you look into here, after copy command, you have the command mirror, and after mirror, you have the command offset. So first, let's select this mirror command. It create a mirror copy of selected object. You can see from this image, in the center there is a center line, and both sides there is a same object. Let's select this command. After selecting this, it will ask you to select the object. I am going to select this rectangle, and then you have to click enter or spacebar. Then it will ask you to specify the first point of mirror line. Just mirror in the horizontal direction. You have to just click here and then drag like this, and after that you have to press enter. Then it will ask you to erase source object. If you give S, this is your source object, this will be erased. If you give no, the source object will be present. I am giving no. See, the source object is present and this is the mirror object. Just moving this line ahead. Let's erase this rectangle and then let's do it again. Shortcut for the mirror command is MI. If you type MI, it will come like this. You can select the command, select object, press enter and then specify the first point of mirror line. Last time we did it in the horizontal direction. Now I am going to do in the vertical direction. Just you have to click and then click over here. It will ask you to erase source object. This is our source object. Now I am giving yes. See, the source object has been deleted. So in this way you can use the mirror command. Similarly, let's mirror the circle. Selecting the mirror command, select the object, enter, specify first point of the mirror line. I am selecting the horizontal direction. It will ask you to erase the source object. I am giving no. Again, I am selecting this object, enter and then specify the first point of mirror line. And then click over here. It will ask you to erase the source object, give no. Again, I am selecting the mirror command, select object, enter. It is asking you to specify the first mirror line. I am just giving this mirror line. The circle is attached to the another circle. Erase source object, no. Similar manner you can do in vertical direction too. Just I am drawing like this. And if you want to mirror this, select mirror command, select the object and then select this point. So this is one object and this is one object. So in this way you can do the mirror of any object. Next command is offset. This is the offset command. It creates concentric circles, parallel lines and parallel curves. You can offset an object at a specified distance or through a point. After you offset object, you can trim and extend them as efficient method to create drawing containing many parallel lines and curves. So I will show you how we can do this. Select this offset command. It will ask you to specify the offset distance. I am going to give the offset distance as 2 feet and then give enter. It will ask you to select the object to offset. So I am going to offset this rectangle and then specify point on side to offset R. So this is correct. You can just click outside and then give enter. So this was our original object and this is the offset object. Offset at a distance of 2 feet. We have given the distance as 2 feet. So at a distance of 2 feet we have another object. So this is how offset command work, and if you want to do the offset inside also you can do it. Just select the offset command and then let the distance be 3 feet. Select object and specify point or side to offset. So where you want to do the offset. First we have chosen the outside offset. Now we are doing it in inside. So I am selecting inside and then give enter. So this is at a distance of 3 feet from this source object. You can see the distance, it is at a distance of 3 feet. Similarly, let's do the offset for this circle. Shortcut key for the offset command is O. Just if you type O, it will come. You can select this command and then offset distance is 3 feet. It's not only 3 feet, according to your requirement you can give the dimension, whether it is 3 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet or even 6 inches, 2 inches. However, according to the requirement of your drawing you can give the distance. Just I'm giving 3 feet. Select this object and I'm selecting outside and then give enter. So this is our original object and this is the offset object. Similar manner we can do the offset inside also. Select this again and at a distance of 3 feet. Inside also one offset we have. Simply we can do the offset of this line just 6 inches and giving at a 6-inch distance there is another line, and after that if you want to make another line at the same distance, you no need to go to offset command again and you no need to give the distance and all. Just you can use this cursor and then you can do multiple times. How many times you want you can do the offset, like just clicking the line and clicking wherever you want. See, this side I have taken the offset now. Now I'm going to do the offset in this direction. Whatever may be the direction, you can just click on the object and then click wherever you want the offset of that object. So friends, that's all about the mirror command and the offset command. I hope you understood clearly about these two commands. Let's meet in the next lecture.